If you don't talk, I'm going to put the hamster on your head. Okay, the hamster's now on your head. Slide, hamster, slide. Slide. It's using your hair and slide. Slide! That was mean.
You're mean.
All it wanted to do was slide. Ruh-roh.
I need my brush.
We have a little problem. Alyssa has no brush, and she's talking to her love. We're watching her. What is she going to do? She's going to grab her brush. Oh no! She's going to brush her hair.
She's gonna whack her sister with a brush and not eat the hamster.
She's eating the hamster. And the hamster goes in between her legs. What's a random moment you're a hamster doer?